Do not buy citrus burns. Yeah, you heard right. I said don't. So you won't regret it later, because no one on the internet, no one's talking about this for citrus burn. So in this review video, I'll walk you through the scheme that made me lose some of my income, how to avoid it, and also include potential effects, its price. Finally, will citrus burn work for you? Because there's no point getting it if it won't work for you. So I've written down some points in front of me so that the video is nice and short, get straight to the point, and let's get started, go to the video. So the scheme I'm talking about works in such a way that there's a lot of smart guys out there. They know that citrus burns is taking off on the internet. It's taking the internet by storm. It's getting so popular these days. So these smart guys have successfully copied and cloned the citrus burn website. It looks exactly like the official one, very hard to spot. So they reach out to people like you and me who want to lose weight, get healthy, get fit, say, hey, there's a discount or a coupon or something else. Make us go to the website. And then they want us to go through the duplicated website, and that's when we enter the information, their details. Then they have access and they withdraw, do as many withdrawals as possible. And it's really, dude, it's nuts. As you would get nothing in return, and they're not the official company. So I've given the official Citrus Burn link website in the description below. This is the official Citrus Burn website where you can get your bottles from which will be delivered intact. That way you'll be sure you're 100% safe. Now, that you know that the scheme, what it is, let me walk you through the potential effects, the pros and cons. So first pro for citrus burn is it actually helps in losing weight by suppressing your food cravings, increasing your metabolism rate. Second pro is that you don't have to drop most of the foods that you like to eat. And that's something that's pretty rare to find among such, weight loss supplements. Generally, you need to cut down on your calorie intake, especially carbs and food that include sugar. But that's not the case with citrus burn, guys. You just need to take it consistently for some visible results. The third pro, the big one for citrus burn, is that it's approved by the FDA, which stands for, you guessed it, the Food and Drug Administration. It's also GMP certified, which makes it completely safe. And the fourth pro is that it comes with 100% no questions asked money back guarantee, making it risk-free. The final pro is its pricing. Citrus burn comes with a very affordable price. And for some of you, it might be expensive, but trust me, there's thousands and thousands of products and supplements out there that do nothing at all. On the other hand, citrus burn does work and provide results, and also comes with a money-back guarantee. So now let's move to the con. First con is citrus burn. It's often out of stock. It's almost, 10 to 15 days out of stock, 1 month, and that's something that citrus burn probably should do something about. The second con is that there's a lot of duplicated websites out there that you must be aware of, but it's also kind of pro for you, because now you have access to 100% legit citrus burn website. And now that's all for you is left to, weigh out the pros and cons, see whether citrus burn is something you would want or not. But to conclude the review, in my opinion, if you want to lose some of that extra pounds carrying around, I recommend give citrus burn a try. There's nothing to lose. And if you ask me, I'd say yes. Citrus burn is worth every penny and could turn things around for you to be in your dream shape. If you found this video, if it helps you, make sure to hit the like. That's it for the video. Have an amazing day.